Anna, I want to read this way, and as I give it to you, my heart is forever yours. Will you marry me?
Hey, babe, what's up? Can't you call me by yourself? I missed you.
Hey Anna, you're such a drama. You told me yourself that you were studying, and you'll call me when you get free. Are you done now?
No, I'm not done. I still need to study a lot, Liam. But I'm happy that tomorrow's our last paper and we won't get to see the faces of these books for the next 2 months. I'm so done, Liam. By the way, how's it going for you? You must have revised everything, considering how much of a nerd you are.
Yeah, right, babe. I'm literally at the start. I just opened my book, and I don't believe you. You were like this always, and end up getting highest grades.
No, but not this time. Liam, I called you to take a break and refresh my mind. Can we talk about something else, please?
I'm sorry. So, are we doing this? The plan we discussed?
Plan? Which plan? You need to remind me because all I can think is how to pass my calculus.
Anna, what? Are you nuts or what? You forgot. We had something planned after the final exam.
Oh my god, how could I forget that? Babe, we are going there for sure. We haven't spent time alone since ages, and I'm already so much excited about it. I really wanted to visit that park and spend quality time with you. It will be such a wonderful day, you know.
Thank God you remember. And I know, babe, the park is your favorite place to go. And I can't wait to hug you with the scenic view.
Now don't make me daydream about it. I really need to focus and study so that our exam doesn't ruin our day.
You're gonna ace it. I know it for sure. And Anna, you posted something about feminism on your Facebook. I don't wanna be salty or anything, but please don't. You know my parents are in your friends list. Seeing such a extremist post like you share, they'll develop a bad impression about you.
You already know how much sensitive I am to this topic, and I don't care what others think. I always stand for women's rights and what they deserve. You can't stop me from posting stuff like this. Support me, please.
I won't argue with you right now. We both need to study. We'll talk about this later, okay?
Bye.
Hey Anna, good luck for the paper tomorrow. And I really appreciate you standing up for the women's rights and being brave about it.
Hey Anna, how did it go?
Hi, Tony. It was fine, but I'm not confident that I'll top it or not. Overall, it was okay. And I'm really sorry I couldn't reply you yesterday. I was really busy. But I really appreciate you acknowledging me. Thank you.
No worries, relax. It's just so rare these days that women standing up for themselves. Every now and then we see women being harassed, not getting equal rights. But I think it's the responsibility of a strong woman like you who stand up for themselves. But for this, you need to be brave. I don't know why people look down upon this. You guys have all the right whatever you want to do. Nobody can judge you, can dictate you, or order you guys. Men and women should be equal in society.
At last, someone understands my point. This is what I'm trying to advocate. That there's nothing wrong in raising voice for women. But you know, unfortunately, my boy.
Hey bro, how are you?
So Anna, how did it go? I hope the paper was during our day, right?
Yeah, it was good. This is Tony, our class fellow.
Yeah, I know. Who is? Should we go?
But Liam,
Be a man.
oh my god, isn't it beautiful?
It surely is. And it couldn't get any better. We are free now. Now we get to spend this beautiful day together for like a month, right?
Yeah, it's been so long and I love you. Liam? What are you taking off?
Nothing, just a phone.
Isn't it getting a bit warm? I'm literally sweating.
Anna, I got a surprise for you.
Surprise? Liam, you know I hate surprises. I get nervous.
Get up.
But why? Oh my god!
Anna, I want to read this way. And as I give it to you, my heart is forever yours. Will you marry me?
Yes, I will. I'm speechless, Liam. What happened?
Anna, I'm sorry to ruin this moment. But you are a woman and I have nothing.
But what happened?
What I want to say is, you are a woman and you ought to be clean.
What do you mean? I am clean. And What's the matter with you? And what does being a woman have to do with cleanliness? Is this your another stupid surprise?
I get it straight. You didn't shave your armpits, and you look disgusting. You ruined my mood, and you still have the audacity to take off your jacket and showing your armpits like this. What will people think of you? What will my parents think of you? You have no shame, do you?
You are hurting me.
Well, I'm telling you the truth. And I can't marry a woman who doesn't care about her respect and hygiene. And you know what? You stink. You stink because of these grown pushes. Either you change yourself and your behavior. And you know what? It's a no from my side. I can't embarrass my family, my friends, and myself.
Liam, you are rejecting me because of this petty thing.
I am. I know this is one of your family's thing. I can't take this anymore.
You know what, Liam? You don't want to accept me? Fine, don't. And I don't care. Because this is my body and I'll do whatever I want. You or your family doesn't have any right to dictate me what to do, what to think and what to wear. You have the same mentality like most of the other men do. But listen, I'm neither your property nor your right. I'm a different human being with my own thoughts and will. You don't want to marry me because I don't shave my armpits, right? Fine, don't. And to hell with you. Don't show me your face again. And don't you dare speak against any women's rights. You may give this ring to any other woman who is ready to live by your rules. But sorry, I'm not that type of girl, okay? I wish there were other men like Tony who really understands the importance of women's rights. You are nothing but just a loser. You are a loser, Leo.
So you like Tony now? I knew it. I knew he had a crush on you. That's why I support you. Anna, I'm so...
Hey, first of all, I would like to appreciate that you didn't mention his name. That was really mature of you. And secondly, again, I would admire your bravery. It's not easy to share such intimate moments on social media. But this is how other women can get awareness and realize that how petty and such selfish men can be. I really hope your message affects other women in a positive way.
Hey, thank you, Tony. I appreciate you acknowledging my views, unlike my idiot boyfriend, ex-boyfriend. You don't have the same thinking, and we need men like you in our society to stand with us.
Hi, I hope I'm not disturbing you.
No, I have all the time. How are you?
I'm fine. I'm really sorry for what happened.
No, you don't need to be sorry. And I'm happy that this happened. I got to see his real face.
Yeah, and no one can ever have any right on your body. You should do whatever you want to.
Yes, I will. And thank you, Tony, for understanding all of this. I wish he was the same.
No one can have the right on your body. But can I get a right on your heart?
Wait, what?
I know I shouldn't be saying this right now because you guys just broke up. But I just want to let my heart out. I fell in love with you the day I saw you. But as you had a guy in your life, I kept my distance and respected your relationship. But now, as you are, what should I say? Available? I didn't want to miss this chance.
This is quite straightforward and bold.
Hey Anna, I will support you in every situation. I will never dictate or impose any kind of restrictions on you. I will only love you and love you just the way you are. I know it's a lot to take right now. You can think and call me back. You can have all the time you want.
No, I don't need time to think. I know you are the best person I could ever find.
Oh my, I can't believe this. I'm so happy.
So, will you keep talking on call or take me on our first date?
On my way.
Okay, see you.
Anna stood up for her rights and stayed strong. She knew she would feel difficulties, but she proudly embraced her body and publicly raised voice for women. After getting ridiculed and rejected by her boyfriend, she finally decided to leave him as well, because she couldn't live with Liam dictating her life. She found Tony, the perfect guy who supported Anna in her cause and loved her regardless of her appearance. We should stand up for women's rights and be their advocate. We shouldn't draw boundaries and set rules and regulations for them, as God has created everyone equal. Every woman has the right to be treated with respect. The systemic barriers and discrimination that women face in various aspects of life, including education, employment, healthcare, and politics. By promoting and upholding women's rights, we can create a more inclusive and just society that benefits everyone. Ultimately, it is crucial to empower women to assert their rights, speak up against oppression and inequality, and work towards building a world where every woman is free to pursue her dreams and aspirations. I truly hope you enjoyed today's video. Remember to check out my daughter's new YouTube channel. It's so much fun to make and even more fun to watch. Click the link above or the link in the description and it'll be pinned on the top of the comment section. Hope to see you there, and remember to subscribe. Unfortunately, you can't comment on those videos, but you can still comment on this video, so leave your comments. I love reading them and I try to reply to as many as I can. You can also follow me on Facebook, where you see some exclusive content on there, and if you want to see behind the scenes, remember to follow me on Instagram and TikTok. Don't forget to download the Samir Bhavnani app. It is available now on the Google Play Store and the Apple App Store. You can watch a lot of our premium content on there that isn't available on YouTube or any other platforms. And always remember to share this video to keep spreading positivity.